My name is Tonya Leonard. I'm the System Director of Norton Healthcare Provider Compensation Team. The provider compensation system helped support us at Norton by eliminating all of the manual work that we did. We now have one system that Epic data feeds into on a monthly basis and automatically calculates all of those productivity reports. Hallmark has the ability to anything we have asked them to do on helping us come up with a creative solution or some different type of compensation that we've maybe not thought of before, some kind of blended model. So Hallmark has given us the ability to come up with those solutions quicker and get them done faster. Anything we have asked them to do, they have done and come out with an amazing product in the end. Blended models, you name it, they can do it. So we were able to, with Hallmark's help, get rid of our manual processes. We were doing all physician reports in Excel. Everything we did, provider by provider. At the time, we had a little over 600 providers that we were manually creating report cards for, productivity reports every month. It took the team about 3 to 4 days to do that work. With the new system in place, we cut that work down to about a half of a day. So it helped address accuracy and errors using the Hallmark system in the fact that it actually did those calculations for us. If we had a number somewhere in the Excel file, an RVU value that was wrong, or we forgot to roll forward the number of months it was calculating, anything like that in a physician's productivity contractual year, the numbers would be off. So the numbers we reported in our financials for an accrual could have been off, or the numbers that we gave a provider for, here is what your anticipated bonus could be at the end of your contractual year, that was off. With Hallmark doing that for us, through an automated process, those numbers are 100% accurate. We always say at Norton, if something's wrong when we give it to the provider at this point, it is a user error. It is not a Hallmark error. It truly is something we've input wrong in the setup of a provider that has caused that number to be incorrect. CFOs, when researching and determining if a provider compensation solution is right for their organization, there are a ton of cost-saving initiatives that with any automation that you can use. The ability of people inputting manual data cuts down on inaccuracy. You cut down on time savings of the number of hours it takes to comb through data. It cuts down on potential risk that could go into things that, while we all hope to avoid, potential cases against your organization, which, as we all know, are millions and millions of dollars. Having that data and knowing it's right is very important in utilizing all things compliance and physician compensation.